Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 16th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on gold, gold is pushing beyond the 261%. We're in all-time highs right now, but that definitely doesn't mean anything on something like gold. I've seen trends go to the 361%. I still think this is a wave one, wave two, and wave three. Definitely no break of structure. Definitely no reason to say that this uptrend is over. I try to say every single day in my gold videos how important it is to trade with the trend. Gold is literally in an uptrend on the monthly, the weekly, the daily, the 4-hour, the 1 hour. Every single time frame is in an uptrend. Going down to the shorter time frames and focusing on shorts is really kind of crazy in my eyes. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, if it breaks structure down on the 1 hour, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on there, and I personally would still be looking for longs even if the 1 hour did break structure, because that would just tell me that potentially the last 5 waves were over. Unless we get like a significant break to the downside on like the 4 hour or daily time frame, I definitely still would be recommending longs. Just because we're at the 261% and beyond doesn't mean that the trend needs to end. I've seen wave three trends go to the 361% and beyond. So definitely be aware of your higher time frame trends, especially on something like gold right now. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.